Hey guys! In this video, I'll show you how to hide chat in Donut SMP for both Java and Bedrock Edition. So let's get started. If you're playing on Java Edition, press Escape, open Options, and then select Chat Settings. Change the Chat option to Hidden if you want to completely hide the chat. Keep in mind that this also prevents you from using chat commands. If you still want to use commands, you can simply reduce the chat size instead of hiding it completely. For both Java and Bedrock Edition, open the chat and type /settings and press Enter. If that command doesn't work, type /help and open the Settings menu from there. Inside the Settings menu, click the oak sign to turn off the public chat. When it's disabled, it will display Currently Off. You can also toggle the other sign options to choose which types of messages you want to see or hide. Once you've finished, close the menu and wait a moment. The chat will now be hidden based on the settings you selected. That's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.